Hey everybody, this is Scott at Scott Traits on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to follow up on an idea that I shared with you on Thursday. Big shout out to our YouTube fam. We got a lot of people watching us on YouTube, and on Thursday of last week, I shared this stock idea, NAPCO Security, NSSC, and you can see 6 days ago. And what I mentioned last week was to look for a move over this long base of consolidation. You know, this stock had been going sideways for 69 days at the time. Nice. And it's up almost 8% in just a couple of days, which is pretty good considering the stock market today ended up having an 87% down day. So NSSC is a stock that I think at this point, if you took this idea, you definitely want to try and stick with it. Just let it work if possible. I think you probably want to consider a stop at break even, and then worst case scenario is you don't lose any money. And when the market is whipping around like it has been over the last couple of days, that's a good place to be. You can sleep soundly at night knowing, okay, worst case, I don't lose any money. Best case, I make money. And for swing traders or active investors, I think that's the sweet spot to be in. So I hope that video is helpful. If you took the idea, I think you want to try and let it work, let it push away and trend higher, and let it make money for you while you do nothing. So that's just one of many things we're looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see our complete list, click that link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.